Okay, children of the class 7, good morning to all. So, as in the last class, we have seen that how to multiply the different numbers having the different sign. Same way, today we will learn how to divide the different numbers which are having same sign or different signs. So same rule as we have seen for the multiplication, what we have seen, suppose 2 into 4 is equal to 8. Now see that this number is positive, this number is positive. So when we multiply the number, it also comes positive. Again, suppose this is negative and this is negative, here also it is coming positive. In the last class, as you have seen, so in both cases it will come positive. Now, in other cases, when the sign of the both the number is different, one is positive, another is negative. So the result will come -8. Here 2 into -4. Here also different signs. So if we multiply these two numbers, then it comes always negative. So what was the conclusion? The numbers which is to be multiplied, if they have the same sign, so always the result will come always positive. And same sign in the sense whether both the numbers are having positive or both the numbers are having negative. So in both cases, what we have seen that this will become always positive. So same sign will be in the multiplication, same sign will be positive and opposite sign will be negative. So this was the rule of the multiplication. Same sign, this is negative, positive. Positive, positive, same sign, positive. So same sign multiplication will be always positive and opposite sign. One is negative, one is positive. Both are having opposite sign. One is positive, other one is the negative. So this comes negative. Here also this is positive, this is negative. So what was the conclusion? If both the numbers which is to be multiplied, if they have the different signs, so their result will come always negative. So same sign will be positive, opposite sign will be negative. This was the rule for the multiplication. But today we are going to learn what is the rule in the division. So same rule is also here. Suppose 4 is divided by 2. So it will come 2. Both the numbers are having same sign, so it will come always positive. -4 divided by -2, same sign. Both the numbers are having same sign. If it is to be divided, so this will also come positive. So same rule, if the numbers are having same sign, so the result will become always positive. For the division also. Here also, if the -4 divided by 2. Now here what is there? One is negative, another one is the positive. So both are having the different sign. So in this case also, first you divide in the normally. So 2 to the 4 and what sign we will put? Because both are having different sign, so it will come always negative. Here 4 divided by -2. Here also one is negative, another one is positive. So if the both are having the different sign, so it will come also negative. So this is the rule of putting the sign for the division also. Same sign if it is to be divided, it will come positive. Opposite sign, if it is to be divided, so it will come negative. So in this rule, following these rules, we will proceed in the exercises and we will follow the rules. Now take the example and start the exercise number 1.4. Now question number 1. But keep in mind the rules of putting the sign. Same sign positive, opposite sign negative. In this short, only this much you keep. Same sign positive, opposite sign negative. So question number 1A, 75. 75 divided by minus 5. So what will come? Normally you just divide the 75 by 5. So 5 15 ja 75. So it will come 15. And what sign we will put? As we say opposite sign. Both are having opposite sign. So opposite sign will be always negative. So the result is, answer is the minus 15. Clear? Now second take example, minus 36b. Minus 36 divided by minus 12. Same sign. So same sign positive, opposite sign negative. Same sign, so the result will come positive because same sign is 12, 3 ja, so it will come 3. This is the answer of this. Now take another example, 34 divided by minus C. 34 divided by minus 17. 34 divided by minus 17. So normally you divide 17 to 34. So the result is coming 2. And what sign we will put here for this? Opposite sign. Opposite sign will be always negative. So opposite sign negative. So answer will be minus 2. Next, D, 0 divided by D, 0 divided by minus 98. So, one more thing if 0 is divided by any number, so always it comes 0. If 0 is divided by any number, so it comes always 0. So 0 is to be divided by minus 98. So first you divide from 98 to the 0. So answer will come 0. Now for the sign, what sign you will put? Either negative or positive. So in case of 0, 0 is only number. It is neither negative nor positive. So the answer will come 0. So answer is here. So this is the question number 1. Next, question number 2. For the question number 2, fill in the blanks. So in the fill in the blanks, keeping in mind for the sign of the numbers. Question number 2. "45 fill in the blank. A, 45 divided by 45 divided by dot 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 is equal to minus 5. Now here you have to fill the number. So first, forget about the sign. Sign we will see later on. First you divide the number. So by which number, if 45 is divided, so it should come 5. So if this is the dividend and here divisor you have to put. So from this number you just divide. 5 9 ja 40. So when, so 5 9 ja here if you are putting 9. So 9 5 ja, so number is coming 5. But see the sign. Sign should come negative. So when it will come negative? Now this is already fixed that this is a positive. And you know that as I have just now told, the negative comes only both are having the different sign. So this is positive, so this number must be negative sign. So what we will put? Minus 9. Clear? Again I am telling you, if the dividend is there and divisor you have to put, and here result is given. So from this first you divide this dividend. 5 9 ja, whatever it comes, so that will be the answer. Now check the sign. If it is negative, so see the both the signs. So when the negative comes, when both the numbers are having different sign. So since this is positive, so other number will be positively positive, negative. So this number will come what? Minus 9. Second, other one B, here you have to find out dividend divided by minus 12. Divided by minus 12 is equal to coming 5. Here you have to find out. In this case, you have to find out the divisor. So divisor, for the divisor, divide this number and whatever is coming that you put here. But if divisor is given and dividend you have to find. So this number should be multiplied and whatever it comes that you put here. Now 12 multiplied by 5, it will come 60. Now again just see, here it is coming positive number. So this number is positive. So positive comes when? Positive will come when both numbers will have the same sign. Same sign positive. So when the both numbers are same sign, since this is the negative, so another number should be also negative. So what will be the answer? Here it will come minus 60. So the answer is of this question is minus 60 is the answer. Again I am telling you, when dividend is there and result is there and you have to find divisor. So divide this dividend from the result, so you will get this one. Here divisor you have to find out, but in this case dividend was not given. Here you have to find out what is the dividend. So divisor से इस number को multiply करो. 12 5 जा 60. Now here it will come 60. But again check this is coming positive. So positive when it comes in the division, when both numbers are having same sign. दोनों नंबर का साइन जब सेम होगा तभी यहाँ पॉजिटिव आएगा. Since this is negative, so that number will be also negative. So answer will be minus 60. Clear? Now next, see 23 divided by which number? Here you have to fill is equal to, it is coming minus 1. Minus 1. Again here, dividend is given and the result is given. Here, you have to find out the divisor. So for finding out the divisor, you divide from this number to this number. So 23 is divided by 1. What will come? 23. So here, it should come 23. But result is negative. So negative when it comes? When one is positive and another is negative. Since it is given positive, so another will become negative number. So here you will put minus 23. Now, So result is minus 23 divided by 23. So it will come minus 1. So answer is minus 23. This is the answer. D. Minus 11 divided by any number. Minus 11 divided by fill in the blanks is coming 1. Here it is coming 1. Again same way. This is minus 11 divided by which number, that you have to fill, you have to find out. So first divided minus 11 by 1. So if you divide 11 by 1, it will come 11. And what will be the sign? Since now again see the sign of this, it is coming positive. So positive comes only when the both are having the same sign. One sign is negative, so another will be also negative. So minus 11 is divided by minus 11, it will come 1. Second, E. Divided by minus 2. It is coming 38. So by which number is divided by minus 2, it should come 38. Now here, what you have to find? Dividend. So when you will have to find dividend, so multiply these two numbers. So 2 into 38, it will come 76. But what sign it will be? Here it is coming positive. So positive will come when both are having the same sign. Since this is a negative, so this number will be also negative. So here we will put minus 76. So answer is minus 76. So this question number 2 is also completed. Only conclusion is that for the symbol, sign. So don't do the mistake of putting the sign. Keep only one line, same sign, positive, opposite sign, negative. That will complete this one. Now, state true or false for each of the following. Question number 3. Question number 3, true false. True, false. True, false. You have to tell true or false. First was 0 is divided by 7. 0 is divided by 7, it is coming 0. So as I have told you already, if 0 is divided by any number, either positive or negative, so always it comes 0. Because for the case of 0, neither it is positive nor it is negative. So this statement is what you can say. 7 से इसको divide करोगे तो 0 आएगा. This is true. So here you will put true. Next, minus 18. Minus 18 divided by 0 is equal to 0. When 0 is divided by any number, it comes always 0. But when divisor is any time is 0. Suppose 7 by 0. So what is the answer of this one? You have seen in the last class also. Because if divisor is 0, so it is not calculated. So here it is given 0. So what will come here? It cannot be calculated. So this is the wrong statement. So here false. Clear? In any division case, if the 0 is the divisor, so that means it is not calculated. Next, 0 divided by 0. Again, third, 1, 2, 3. 0 divided by 0 is equal to what is given? 0. Now think of this again. Don't consider this number, only see the divisor. Divisor is here also 0. So if the divisor is 0, so this is also not calculated, but it is given here, the result is 0. That means this is also false. So in this case, this is also false. Next, minus 10 divided by minus 2, 4. Minus 10 divided by minus 2. So what is given? It is given 5. See this case also. Divided 10 by 2. So 2 5 are 10. 5 is coming and it is positive. So positive result comes in the division when the both numbers are having same sign, so it is same sign, that means it is the true. So this question is also over. Now just see, so this chapter is also 1.4 is also completed, and next is next exercise. Leave it. So one chapter is today completed, 1.4. So till 1.4 your homework is complete. Complete.
Wait.
Exercise. इतना बाकी है और ये तो क्या 4 मिनट में leave it. So 1.4 is completed. Again we will move further for the 1.5. 1.5 ठीक हो जाएगा. Now see for the exercise number 1.5. So till now only one important thing that what you have to keep in mind. What is the sign in division and sign of the multiplication? Two numbers, if they have same sign, it will come always positive. If they have different signs, it will be negative in for the multiplication as well as in the division also. Now see, next exercise 1.5. Simplify each of the following. Question number 1. Question number 1, minus 25 plus minus 25 plus 12 divided by 9 minus 3. So this you have to solve. Simplify. Simplify this thing. Now next problem is given here and you have to simplify it. So for this type of problems, again you go to back. You know that what is the rule of Bode-Marx. B-O-D-M-A-S. Division, multiplication, and here also one number V. With this rule, always solve this one. First, V means Vensulon. Means this is also called line bracket. I will tell you later on what is the meaning of this. B brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. In this sequence, always solve all this problem. First, line bracket, after that, bracket fill of, then division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So, this question, first you solve. Now, here you see different signs are there. This is negative, this is positive, and this is divided by 9 minus 3. So, in here it is subtraction, addition, division. So, in this and here it is bracket. So, first solve the bracket and after that division, then multiplication, then this one. So, here minus 25 plus 12 divided by, first solve the bracket. In the bracket also there are three types of bracket. In the next question I will explain. So first solve the bracket. So in the inside the bracket, what is 9 minus 3? So here you will 9 minus 3, it comes 6. Now after the bracket, off. There is no off here. Then after that division. Is तीनों numbers में first you solve the division. Don't solve the this one plus this, because before solving plus, minus and subtraction, first you solve the division. So division, 12 divided by 2. So minus 25, 12 divided by 6, it will come 2. Now one is negative, one is positive. So in this case, subtract the bigger number. Now minus 2 plus 2. 6 to the 12. This is 25. So 25 plus 2, it comes 23, and this is minus 23. So the answer will come minus 23. First you solve the bracket. ब्रैकेट सॉल्व करने पे 6 आया, 6 के बाद इस डिवीजन को सॉल्व करेंगे 2 आएगा और फिर 2 में -25 प्लस 2 it will come -23. This is the answer of first question. Second, so in this way the remaining problem of exercise number homework I am giving for this one. Complete homework. Complete exercise number 1.4 and 1.5. So whatever the problem will come, that we will see in the next class. Thank you all.